Hello gang, Merlin on the mic and Buster Call TCG. I welcome you back to our videos and our page. So today we will talk about how to create tier lists of your favorite leaders or of the current meta, right? In your opinion, and what to do if you go to your locals and you have forgotten to take dices with you, right? Because when we start the game in One Piece, we start by rolling dice. So what do you do if you have no dices at all with you? So of course you can take from another player, but there is also a way to do it with technology. So I will show you today two free tools from the page I have developed. So you can go ahead and go to bustercall-tcg.com, and as you can see here we have some tools, right? So we have a tournament tracker, a card database, the dice roll, this is one of the tools, the tier list, this is the second tool, deck builder, and TCG simulator, which is a work in progress. You can read what these tools do. They are all free, completely free, all of them. Of course, you can support the costs of the server and myself if you want to, and you get access to the Discord server, beta testing, and so on. But of course, like I said, everything is free, no pay goal, nothing. So let's go and see, and first see the dice roll tool, and I will show you the mobile version, right? So let's say that you are on your locals. We will do a simulation, right? So you are on your locals. You are like before playing the first game, and then you suddenly see that you have forgotten to take dices with you. What do you do? And your opponent does not have any dices, so you can open up your phone, go ahead and go to the bustercall-tcg.com, explore tools, and then you have the dice roll tool. So just click it, you roll, and both of you, so you and your opponent, you see what you have diced. Of course, you will have your phone like that, and your opponent sees it from his side, and you see the result from your side, right? If you're not satisfied, you can always roll again and again and again. So this is really fun. I really like it, and like I said, myself, I have forgotten so many times to take dices with me, and this is the reason why I have created that tool for you guys and for myself as well, right? Okay, so the second tool that I will show you today, of course we will create other videos for the tournament tracker, the card database, and deck builder, and once I'm ready with the simulator, of course we will also create videos for how-to videos for all the tools. But now let's go and see the tier list. So the tier list is where you create without any watermark behind. So how you create your own tier list without having any watermark in the background, right? So I didn't want you to create some lists and then just have my logo like on the background. I don't like it personally. So first things first, here on the left side, and whatever I show you guys here, you can do it also with your phone, right? So design is responsive, so no matter if you have like your mobile phone or a tablet or your personal computer or your laptop, it should work. If it doesn't, just tell me what is the bug, and I will try to fix it. I will do my best to fix it. So back to the tool. On the left side, you can see the leaders, and you can see the format. Now, starting on the 1st of April, we have the standard format and the extra regulations format. So just need to select which one, from which one you want to search the leaders, and let's say that you want, for example, I don't know, the new leaders, the OP16 leaders, right? So you just type down here OP16 and you have your leaders here. And of course, I'm like someone who really loves the let's say the altars, right? So you have here the option to show to display the altars, and of course create a list with the altars here. So let's say that we will have here, right? We'll have Sengoku here, and of course when you hover with your mouse over the cards, you can read them, you can see anything, right? And if you're not sure, if you want to see more information, you can go ahead to the card database tool on the same page, and you'll find more infos there, and you can filter it also better. But let's say that you want to create like I don't know this. Let's say I will put Petits also this tire because I love it, but that's not story, right? And take Buggy here, we'll take Yamato here, we'll take Ace here, for example. So as you can see, everything that take from here, it disappears from here, from this list, so you can't put a leader twice, and then you have your list. Or let's say that you want to put something, to change something, to modify something. So let's say that I don't want to name it S tire, I want to name it AA tire. So I just double click here and I rename it to whatever I want. Or let's say I don't like red here, so I can just click here and select the color that I want. So let's say I want the dark red or this red, right? And then you can create a screenshot, of course, and then you have your tire list. You can show your tire list to your friends or wherever you want. There is also, of course, the option here to move a tire up or down, or to remove a tire, or to add another tire, right? And then you can write here what this is, so for example, the path leaders, right? And then you can select the color here, like I want this color, or then just say, no, I don't really want it, and you just remove it, right? Now let's say that you want to save it. If you want to save it, you can do it, but you need to be logged in. So let's go and log in. It's like really easy. Go here, you can register using your Google account or just creating a normal account, right? You don't need to use any credit cards or something like that. I don't know. I don't want to know any information from you guys, right? Just want to work with accounts. So let's say that you have registered your account, and if you register an account, guys, most likely, if it's not a Google account, if it's a Google account, it will grab the token, and the verification is like automatically. It's done automatically. If it's not a Google account and you create your own, you need to go to the email of yours. You will have received an email to just verify that your email address is like a real one and that you're not a bot. And you can just click to this link, and your account will be verified, and of course will be redirected back here. If you don't see the email, you can just check your junk folder, and it will be there. So let's get in with Google. Now I'm in with Google, and as you can see, you can have here your saved lists, and you can also save another one, right? here. Excuse me. So before I save the list, let's say that that you don't like what you see, right? That you had also more leaders here. Let's put some of them. Okay, so you had these leaders and you don't like it. You can just tap clear, boom, and they are gone. And then let's say now that you really want to create, so you did it. Let's take the altars again. So you did it, this is your list, you really like it, and you want to save it. So you can go up here and you save the list. As you can see, the list is here, right? So, and it's my tire list. So next time, or you want to create another list, you can go here and say the, I don't know, Buster Call -tcg.com list, and then I will search the OP15 leaders and I will just put them here. Let's put Rebecca here, let's put Brooke to the A, let's put NL also to the A, and let's put it here. So, and we have now our tire list, and we save it. And as you can see, it is saved here. And if I press the my tire list, the other one, it automatically changes to this one or this one. So you have your lists there. Let's say that you go away and you come back on the following day or next week or so on. Then you're gonna go to my tools. If you're logged in, right? So you just go to the tire list and you have everything here. Everything is back here, right? Everything's here. So you can just click on it and you're back to where you started. You can update the list, you can clear the list, you can create new lists, everything. And I repeat, everything is free here. I think it's like, it's really easy to use this tool. Personally, I really like it, and I really like creating lists. And I don't like watermarks, so what you have here is like really your own, because you have done it, right? So it's all yours. And I hope that you like this tool, and I hope you like all of the tools here. Feel free to try them. Even if I don't have a video yet to explain them, I will create the videos on the upcoming days. And once they're out, go and see them. Try the tools. Tournament Tracker, I find it brilliant because you can track everything, every tournament, every round, everything. So you have like your own statistics. Card database, I always wanted to know in which set is which manga card or which SP cards and so on. Here you have everything, you can filter out everything. Deck builder, you can build decks easily with many filters. Yeah, it's like, and of course the dice roll. Guys, dice roll is the best tool out there. Dice roll. I always forgot my dices. You do also sometimes, so admit it, you do it. So use the tool. Okay, guys, so don't forget bustercall-tcg.com. Feel free to use the tools. Feel free to support me if you want to. Feel free to reach out to me and report any bugs. Yeah, so that's everything for today. Thank you all for watching, and until next time.